Oh, 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 oh. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, boom, boom. Mainstream. Fucked up.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Hello? There's la dots. La dots, la dots, la dots, la dots, dots, la dots, dots, la dots, la dots, la dots, dots, la dots, la dots.
I
Boom,
am
boom, boom,
here.
boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Sorry.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom,
Waiting for
boom,
some
boom.
action.
Boom, boom.
Yeah, we can hear you barely.
Good morning. Say it again.
I said we can hear you, but barely.
Really? Okay. Let me fix that. Thank you.
Hell yeah. What is love? I think this thing's about to drop the bottom out, man. It's looking pretty good for some shorts. It's looking pretty good for some shorts, bro.
Yeah, we just got a double top too, bro.
I
It's
know.
Like 60.
Yeah, man. It actually swept it. It swept the high, yesterday's high.
Yep.
For fuck's
change
sake.
anything?
For fuck's sakes. Give us my short.
It's sitting right here at the bottom of this 5-minute bull flag.
I know. I'm looking at it, but it's also broke and it's retesting Asia's high a day right now.
So I was looking 631 area is a high probability target, if not further than that. That's the top of yesterday's pre-market zone that hasn't been touched.
Yeah. They're going for that shit.
We might go further than that.
Oh. Oh, darling, well, I just need you to tell me what to do.
I changed my settings. Did it make any difference?
Yeah, you sound great. Thanks.
Awesome. Now you can hear me.
Yes. Yes. I hear you.
But I still won't join in on your my darling, tell me what to do.
Oh, you're fine, dude. You can do whatever you want to do, man. Dun, 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 dun. Just being patient as fuck right now.
That's the name of the game, right?
Yeah. Yep. We're back above the high of day. Mm-hmm. Boom, 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 boom. Man, oh man. Get your payout yet?
No, they didn't even respond to me, bro.
No, I'm talking about the dots.
I did. Yep.
Hell yeah. Hit the bank?
Received and in the bank.
And you
Yes,
didn't
sir.
make a post? Fuck.
Well, I made the post that I got the payout, so I guess I can make a second one that says now that's sitting in my bank account.
I'm going to make a payouts channel where you guys can brag about your payouts. You know why you should brag about your payouts? You know why? Not because it's good for the service, because only 1% of people that actually, okay, 90% of people fail evaluations. That means only 10% actually even get to a funded stage. And only 1% of those actually ever receive a payout. So you, my friend, are amongst an elite group of people. You should be fucking excited about it. Because it's only up.
I'm very excited.
It's only fighting uphill battle from here.
That's right.
I was about to say, I think the everyone in this channel right now has gotten payouts.
Yes.
So,
Boom, boom, doo, 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 doo.
I just took a full payout on an earned a trade yesterday. It's like a full payout, and now they're bumping the account size up.
really, that's great.
No, it doesn't matter. Dame trades. If you have a single machine license, that's just for how many boxes you have, man. How many boxes? If you have more than one machine, you can get more replicantos. Yo, they setting people up right now, dude. I'm serious. I might not even enter a trade today because if you look at where we're at, man. We are in. We're in a weird spot.
Bro. They're waiting for that news at 8:15.
Oh, okay.
It's the biggest news of the week that was coming out at 8:15.
Yeah. But what I'm saying is look at where we are. Look at where we are. This is let's turn on a weekly. I don't want that. I want a weekly zone. That works. Let's go to intraday and let's go to weekly. There we go. There's a weekly end cap sitting at 22,128. And if you look at this right here, would you just look at that? Would you just look at that? We're not in our working range. We're outside of it. We're in a scalping area. It could bust up to here. Let's make that smaller. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Dun, 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 dun,
So the two
dun.
white lines in the center are the working range for like the past month.
It's been that way since the 13th we entered it, and it was from here to here.
Yeah.
And it's worked its way back into it. See that?
Yeah, I see.
Well, we're bullish, or I'm sorry, we're bearish. So if you can look, we're going lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Then we got this nice big weekly end cap sitting right here that it could try to get into, and then when it does, I'm expecting a full on dump, baby. Roar! Right? And we're in an ascending wedge right here.
Yeah.
And our main stuff right here is also an ascending wedge. See that?
Yeah.
Yep. So
That's when I'll be throwing 4
Yes.
to 6 little minis on it on a couple fundeds and just watching it as it goes down.
oh, look at what they're doing. Look at what they're doing, man. Oh, they are fucking with people right now. Oh, I see it. I knew it. I knew it. Look.
Bro, this motherfucker ain't moved 40 ticks in the last hour.
Look at this. Boom, boom. I knew it. I knew this won't coming down. But let's see. There's an end cap right here. It might bounce off it. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. Da, 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 da. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Boo, 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 boo. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? There's a 45 and a 30 sitting in on each other. It's so good. So good stuff. That's good. Hello, world. I'm just looking at all the different charts, all the different things. All the things. All of the things. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, boo, boo. What is it doing? Our risk is 746. If we do get into a short, 746. 746. Close enough. That puts us at 10 micros. We entered short right now. That's 12 micros, 11 micros. That'll be a fast ass trade if it does that. If we were to enter right now, it would put us in for 12 micros. 11, 12. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Here, I'll show you what I'm talking about.
What is that end cap? That's about to touch.
That's 30 minute and 45.
I don't mind.
See, here's my screen right here. I'm showing you my NinjaTrader, my friend, so you can see how it's automatically adjusting contracts based on where my stop is.
Oh, wow. That's Predator?
Yeah.
That's fucking fancy, man. Fancy.
Yes. Yeah.
I need to get a few more payouts before I can justify Predator.
I mean, this is what's going to make you get more payouts. Look at this trailing stop selector down here. I'm just telling you the truth, man. And then look at this, blah, 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 blah. And then you can do multiple take profits based on RR or ticks or percentages. There's all kinds of shit you can do with this thing, man. You can set it to on bar close breakout and you click buy or sell, and it won't actually sell until this bar closes and it breaks away from the previous bar. There's all kinds of settings though. There's all kinds of crazy shit that it'll do. 747. 747, man. 747. Yes. I had something like this for my MetaTrader when I was trading Forex. And now that I have this, I feel complete again. I feel complete. I almost started building my own. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Give me a flat bottom 15 and let me ride this bitch the rest of the day. Come on.
We already got a close on a flat bottom 15.
I'm going to need another one, dude. Hey, look. I'm going to need another one, man. What do you mean?
Just got it closed.
Yeah, look.
You ain't even got...
What are you talking about?
7:30. You just got one at 6:30. Your 6:30 candle was a close on a 15 flat.
I know that. I see it. I'm looking at it right now. See that? I'm looking.
Are you?
I don't want this thing.
Think you are.
I'm looking, man. I'm looking at it. Okay. I also got a 5-minute flat bottom green. We're getting shots. Is it just rejected that end cap?
Yeah. Is that we haven't stolen near enough liquidity to fucking push higher.
No. Nah. Hell, maybe. I don't know. At 6:51 a.m. Hello. That's asking for a lot. It really is. It's asking for a lot. I am patiently waiting for a gold entry here. And I want to see it give me a solid rejection off this end cap right here. Give it to me. And that's rejecting the pre-market zone, dude. At the same time. See that? I just noticed that. Holy fuck. You look at that right there. Pre-market zone is being rejected. At the same time, a 30 and a 45-minute end cap is being rejected. Let's change this to 45 minutes.
You know what trade that is? It's the 945 trade, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, it's the same exact trade. It's just at 6:30 in the morning.
Yeah, that's true.
Right? It's the exact trade we took yesterday too. We just took it to the upside.
Yeah, sure. He's got a point, guys. Got a point. 30-minute did break away down. Where's that 45? That's a 45. Let's see. 30 broke away down. Down, down, down. Well, let's see if this thing actually rejects. If it does, probably gonna get into a trade. Our dogs are losing their fucking minds right now.
Squirrel outside.
Yeah, there's a squirrel that torments the living shit out of them.
My dog is hilarious. My dog will chase any squirrel.
Bro, this is blowing through it, man. Come on, don't do it. Just reject it. Oh, now they're beating on the back door. They're wild in the morning, dude. They're fucking like crazy.
How old are they?
Archie is going on 3 or 4, and Barley is 5 or 6.
I was gonna say, like, they're like fucking kids, dude.
They
They
are.
probably play off of each other. I could see if Stella had a friend.
Yeah.
Stella sometimes will walk over to me. She looks at me like, "Hey, fucker, you haven't paid any attention to me in a while," and she'll grab like one of my bottle caps.
Yeah.
Or like she'll grab if I have a Kleenex or a napkin in my hand or something, she'll grab it and she'll be like, "Come on, dude, chase me around. Give me something to tug on. What are you doing?"
Yeah.
I've heard you while you're trading have the dog will walk up with like some kind of toy. I don't know I'm not sure what toy it was, but
Yep.
like you're like, this dog's trying to make me play with it right now.
Yep. Does that shit all the time, dude. And then if you act like you can't reach it, he'll pick it up and bring it and put it on your lap. There ain't no getting out of it, man. I'm telling you. You are gonna play with that dog, dude. And then, or he'll sit there and growl at you and shit until you play with him.
Too funny, dude. Great when they have personalities like that.
1 second, be right back.
Boy, you got no idea how bad I just want to risk the fucking $60 for a 10-tick stop loss here.
How bad you want to what?
Risk just the $60 for the 10-tick stop loss. If it rejects, it rejects. If it don't, it don't.
Oh, yeah, I get it.
But that's not how you should trade.
A little more like gambling or lottery.
That's 100% gambling.
They are losing their minds. Someone's here picking up our old elliptical. We got a new one. And she just put it into like the community the group page on Facebook asking anybody wanted it. And they're here getting it. And they know that. So that is driving them absolutely insane. Yeah, this is these market makers right now. They are playing with people. Yes, they are. They are playing with the motherfuckers. There we go. There's some better reactions. Man. Okay, I let the dogs in. They're going to go crazy. All right. Are they going to give us a trade or what? This is just like, God. Come on. Let's go. I don't like the sections. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Like you said, you don't have to take a trade.
We were kung fu fighting. Ah. All right.
Those kicks are fast as lightning.
They are definitely pushing this. But are they really gonna, dude? I mean, I'm not fucking buying highs right now, dude. There's no fucking way. I will wait and wait and wait until we get something better than this. We're back up over the pre-market zone. There it is right there, pre-market zone. Still think they're going to come down and take the unfilled orders sitting in here. No way they leave that alone. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. No way they leave that alone. Well, you know, when they short, they really like to, when they take end caps, they like to go way over them and then come back underneath them. Right. But now we have a bullish end cap on a 30 minute sitting right here. So I think we're range bound, man. I really do. I'm going to sit here and still stare at this fucker because that's what I do. But this is trash. Look at the 15 minutes. For those that don't know, these little arrow things right here, this is one of our indicators called flat first. And what it does is it points out and gives alerts to the first flat candle after a pullback. So when you go into even higher time frames, it will give you some really good ideas on what price is doing. Right? So when you combine that with the first light beacon, and you bounce these special zones called end caps, followed by a candle thingamabobber, you get some really good entries, right? See that? You get the rejection of the end cap, which is, this is all unfulfilled orders. And then boom. Yeah, these are our candles, my friends. This is a 1200 tick run right there. Yes, sir. And see?
You combine it with the end caps.
Yep. It is badass. It is. All right, let's go back to my 15 minutes. They are chopping us out right now. They are chopping us out. Go back to the US pre-market. Yeah, so you can, right here, you have all these trade modes, and then you got your name sessions, daily candle, New York, London, Asia, pre-market 350 algo, 10 to 1030, weekly and monthly zones. It turns the weekly and the monthly candles into support and resistances that are never fucking wrong. This right here turns the 30-minute into a support and resistance. See? Boom, look at that. This background right here is the 30-minute support and resistance. Hold on, I think we might actually have something going on here. I'm explaining to people on TikTok what they're looking at.
That's helpful.
Yeah. Let's get into some high def. High def. This is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ futures market. This is where the big boys play. What? They're gonna chop us some more? Choppy chop? Choppity chop chop chop. Chop chop. Choppity chop 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 chop. Look at that, man. It's coming down again. They don't know what they want. We could just be scalping these, you know, but I don't want to. I'm not. That's 80 ticks. That's a decent scalp. 40 points, right? 25 to 30 points, 40 points. Yeah, but I'm not in scalp mode. I'm in motherfucking give me my trade. Someone just messaged me, no open trades. I'm like, nope. They're not used to me not being in a trade by now. And it's shit. It's just shit. It's not good. Not good for me. Boom, boom, boom. Da-dum. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Dustin. And what are they doing, man? What time is that news at?
8:15.
Oh, fuck. Holy Earth. Ninja Trader is uncapable. What's the correct word?
Not capable.
Not capable of running the first light beacon. It is not powerful enough. We have very light versions that power the algos, but as far as the full thing, can't do it. Have to use TradingView. Might figure out a way to put it on Quant Tower or something, but you just gotta use what you gotta use, man. TradingView is the ultimate analyzing platform. Everybody knows that. It would be nice if Ninja Trader would get their shit together and be able to actually run some powerful stuff, but as of right now, they don't. They can't. It doesn't work. We tried. It just crashes over and over again. And it's really basically because you're relying on your own computer. And there's a lot of shit going on to make these little zones here. It looks pretty simple, right? But really not. Really not. We've made it look simple for end user experience. Makes sense.
Does make sense.
Okay. So They're not gonna give a shit. Where's our contraction points here? Let's turn that on real quick. See where our contraction is. Go. Right down there. Right down there. See what I'm saying? I'm really thinking this is shortened, man. We even got an expansion line down here that has that wants to be touched. Touch me. And there's one way down here that hasn't even been messed with at all. Oh my goodness, man. What are you come on now. Come on. Come on. Just go down. Just go down. Go down. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Not very fun for me. Oh, look at that. Look at that pump.
Listening.
It's not listening, man. It's just pumped. It just did a little pumpy pump. A little pump. Oh, you know what we need on the stream right now? Need a little bit of this.
I'm the breakout hunter, yeah, I play the game. Chasing the charts while others stay the same. I make my own rules, I build my own way. Trading in the shadows, I never stray. Crafting strategies, my mind's a machine. Indicators fine-tuned, precision and clean. From Rango to V, proper my systems aligned. High probability, I own this grind.
Yeah.
I don't follow the crowd, I ride the wave. Turning the market into my trade. Through the highs and the lows, I hold my stance. Every breakout's my chance to dance. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles.
Yeah, that's about as choppy as it gets.
I know, man. It pumped and dumped right after, didn't it? Fuckers.
I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay. 2 years in the making, I've sharpened my blade.
This ain't worth shit. This ain't worth this shit. It's gonna be a long day, boys. I was hoping for the one and done by 7 a.m., but not gonna happen today. Fuck.
Reminds me, did you ever see the movie Spaceballs?
No, what's that?
It's like a spoof. It's a Mel Brooks spoof on Star Wars.
Yeah.
It's fucking, I don't know if you like Mel Brooks, but it's funny shit, right? And so they got these guys combing the desert looking for, the spoofed version of Luke Skywalker. And there's these guys dressed up like stormtroopers looking in the desert here. They're combing like literally with a giant like fake comb, right? And then they flash to a second group. Have you found anything? We haven't found anything, sir. And then they flash over to these guys using a pick to comb the desert. And he goes, "Have you guys found anything?" And they go, "Found shit." So when you just said, "Not giving a shit," in my brain, I heard those guys go, "He found shit." So anyway, watch the movie, then you might laugh about it.
Hell yeah.
But it's very goofy comedy if you like that stuff. It's old, but it still stands the test of time if you're a Star Wars person.
Why can't the stream hear Discord right now? Oh, we can. Okay. Okay, that's working. Sorry. That's funny, man. I might actually look that up.
Check it out. I think you'll like it. Well, I like it. So.
I mean, you would like some Spaceballs now.
Gotta love some Spaceballs. Shit is funny.
Look at that. Look at that. Gonna push right back up now. Choppy chop. Choppity chop, chop, chop. What's up, chops? Choppity chops. Boom, 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 boom.
In the shadows of the city where the lights don't shine, little hearts are dreaming, reaching for the sky. Mama works the midnight shift, Papa's gone away. Children hold their hopes tight, praying for a better day. Whispers in the alleyways, stories left untold, but within their eyes a fire starts to unfold. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you're fighting for. With every step you take, every move you make, break the chains.
Hell yeah.
Found a video on YouTube, a voice so clear and bright. Breakout Hunter showed them
Wavelink Discord. Where are you?
watched every lesson, soaked up every word. In the world of trading, their freedom was
Doesn't work.
dreams once locked in silence, now they loudly sing, building bridges to tomorrow, forging everything. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you're fighting for.
Lord Vader. Junto said Lord Vader. Real King Josh, we're not trading Forex, man. I stopped trading Forex a long time ago. It's just a scam. Trading futures, this is NASDAQ, or on Forex, it would be NAS 100. But if you're going to trade NAS, if you're going to trade NASDAQ, you might as well just trade it on a futures market because that's where the price data comes from, even for Forex. But Forex is uncentralized and each broker can do their own price points and they can fucking manipulate everything. And I don't fuck with it anymore. After you've been in spreads, why do you want to deal with spreads? Ugh, good God. Oh. No, when I scalp, I want to be in the trade. I don't want to be instantly $300-400 in drawdown when I click enter like you are with Forex. No. Here we go. We're getting some momentum here. Let's see. Come on. Whoosh. Whoosh. I mean, drop. Drop. The dots.
Drop
Give
it
us
like
a
it's
trip.
hot, man.
Give it. Oh, God. Crazy dogs.
Oh, my son's up. Just when it's getting interesting, I'm gonna have to go help get my kid off to school.
Heck yeah.
I'll be back to check in on the action.
All right, my friend.
And I'll probably be peeking on my trading view on my phone.
Don't worry. When I get in the trade, you'll get the trade.
Yes, sir. That's the whole plan, my man.
Trade copying is awesome.
Be back soon.
All right, man. Have fun. Why would I want to sell a free download indicator? That's very cute. This isn't free. First Light Beacon is ours. We invented the formula, we created it. It's a leading indicator. There's a patent application put out for it. So if it's free downloaded somewhere, well, somebody's about to get fucking sued, my friend. Yes, I'm using Heiken-Ashi on this right here, and then the other candles are regular candles. So King, where is the First Light Beacon free for download, sir? Where is it? Please tell me. You hear that, Miller? Someone wants to know why I'm selling a free downloadable indicator.
I heard him. I'd love to know too, so I can go download it for free.
I know. I want to know too, so I can go get a lawyer and have him fucking wreck whoever's doing that.
Yeah, let me know. So
I mean, that'd probably be a free house or something I'd get out of that one. Something close to that. And anybody using it without a license too. I mean, people get away with it, but what am I going to do? But if someone's actively selling it, oh man, it's game on. Just I don't know, man, the level of intelligence out there in the world is just like, what the fuck are people thinking, man? Move faster.
He probably thinks it's some kind of fair value gap tool or something like that. That's why he's saying that. He doesn't really understand what it is.
Maybe he's not responding, so I don't know.
That's all I'm saying. That's probably what he thinks it is. That's why he's saying that.
Yeah. I love it when they get on YouTube and they're like, this shit is fake, and then I go live stream a trade and shove it in their face and be like, look at guys, look at the fake trade I'm in. Look at these numbers. They're going up and making money, and it's fake though. It's fake. That's the fun stuff. This one's fun. I like those ones. I like doing those videos. Good shit. From breakouts into freedom, this is where I'll stand. I've seen the losses paint their. Are they gonna finally let it come down? Are they? Still I press rewind. There's gold in these moments, hidden between the lines. My heart beats with the tickers, chasing brighter signs. I'm day trading dreams into profits. Into gains, breaking out of these shadows and forging stronger chains where each candle's. Oops, I don't need this anymore. I don't know, man. This our chart is looking pretty crazy. The tensions in the air. I'll keep my eyes wide open, breathing in the dare. Looking pretty crazy. But a vision in my soul. Each risk becomes a lesson that helps me reach my goal. Yes, sir. On the keyboard, reading every sign. Patience like a virtue that stands the test of time. What zone is this here? What do I got going on here? That's 30. That's 30. That's 45. All right. We keep wicking the 30 right here. But we're in between these two key levels. Oh yeah, this is just pure chop. Nate, you can get it on our website, breakouthunter.com. Then it puts once you subscribe to it, it puts it into your invite only folder on TradingView automatically. Yeah, once you claim it on, when you go through the WAP, you gotta click the claim button and you can get it. Be able to join our Discord too. Look at the strategies, talk to people. There's guides, video guides on it and all that other stuff. How to use it. How to use it. It'll change your life, man. I need a fucking entry, dude. This is ridiculous. Look at this chop. Just chop, choppity, chop, chop, chop. Look at this right here. Just garbage.
in my head keep.
And then my orb indicator here. This is just Lux Alga's orb indicator. It's pretty good. I like it. Orb and targets. So it just lets you can put in any time you want. I have it going from 6 to 6:30 because I just want to see that 30-minute range. And it just prints this right here and makes it simple where I don't have to draw it out. Does it for me. Nice. Yep. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So much I like it a lot that I use it all the time. And then I'll change it to 9:30 to 10:45 or 9:30 to 10:30, 9:30 to 10 later on in the day. Okay, here we go. Got something going on the 5 minutes. Something's going on right here. Breaking down this rejection right here. Get risk and shit set up in case this is the trade. Look at that 745.
Lines of code and candle wicks, they guide me through the storm. My mind's a compass steady, staying calm is my new norm. No panic when the waves crash, I surf them with a grin. I'm
Seeing this?
from the chaos deep within. I'm breaking out to free.
Yeah, did you say 7:45?
Yeah. That's above the pre-market zone. There's 746.
I was about to say,
That's close enough.
just gonna keep the original 747 that we were talking about earlier.
I guess, I could go over the highs. 52-ish. What does that change on my... That doesn't make a big difference. If it's going to drop, it's going to drop. At 45 seconds on this 5-minute candle. Still looks like it's just going to chop out, man. It's not a flat bottom or flat top. I'm going to wait. Yeah, we're in a chop zone, dude. I wouldn't trust 2-minute right now. Maybe if we break the orb. Look at that. Look at that wick right back up on that next candle. On the 1 minute. Let's see. Okay, 5.
I wake up early, eyes on the screen, trading the charts, living the dream.
This candle's flat bottoming. Let's see what this one does.
Wins and losses, but I don't retreat.
Or flat topping.
Every trade a fight, I slay the markets from
Thanks, Punto.
losses come, but I'm
Hell yeah.
learning the lessons, I turn it around. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. I slay the markets every single day. Wins and losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I've seen red days, I've seen the dips, but I don't flinch, I don't lose grip. I study the moves, I master the flow. Even on down days, I know how to grow. Catching breakouts, reading the signs. No one controls me, the game is mine. I'm in the zone, I stick to my play. A warrior in the market, making my way. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. one's a step towards where I belong. I keep on grinding, I stay in the
No, man, I don't think I just don't like this, dude. This is not ideal.
wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the
They're just waving out, right?
every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I keep on moving, no fear in my heart. Each day's a new chance, a brand new start. I say the market's nothing holding.
It's not ideal. If we get below this Asia high a day, then that changes the story. But we are sitting right on it.
Wake up to the morning sun, dreams in your eyes. Stuck in the same old routine, reaching for the skies. Bills keep piling up, life's a daily grind. But there's a spark inside you, a path you're meant to find. Scroll through endless feeds, searching for a sign. Then you stumble on a channel where your stars align. Break out, hunt to show the way. Step into the light today. Learn the trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Financial freedom's calling you. Join the journey, start anew. With Breakout Hunter by your side, together we will rise. Yo, sharpen crafts and strategies, lessons every day. From the basics to the breakthroughs, guiding every way. Confidence is growing, risks you learn to take. Building up your future, every move you make. No more chains to hold you back. Unlock the doors you lack. Breakout Hunter shows the way. Step into the light today. Learn the trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Financial freedom's calling you. Join the journey, start anew. With Breakout Hunter by your side, together we will rise.
Hey, this is shit, dude. Come on. What are you doing? We got 45 minutes for that news comes out. You're right. They're probably holding it for it.
Imagine all the lives we change, empowered minds with
Holding price right here.
wisdom, spreading light, turning darkness into bright. Breakout Hunter shows the way. Step into the light today. Learn the trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul.
Oh,
Financial freedom's calling you. Join the journey.
640. Here's 640 right here. We got a 30-minute end cap, and we got our pre-market end cap there. Yeah, we'd have to come below 565 for it to be a drop.
Breakout Hunter by your side.
It'll go from this one to this one, and this one to this one over here.
I walk the charts, my eyes on the prize.
I'm just trying to get down to right here. 630s in the 630s. I think it's gonna reject right here. Come down and reject.
Showing the flow, helping you grow so you can glow. Every candle tells a story, every trend is a clue. I walk the path, now I'm guiding you. From highs to lows, we'll break through the noise. Together we'll trade, together we'll rise. On the break.
All right, now we're just getting chopped the fuck out. We're choppies. And I'm not entering shit. Not yet. It's like it's a broadening wedge in between the trend for London and Asia. Look at this. So this is our key level indicator. So instead of just showing straight line for the high day or for the pre-markets, it actually builds a key level trend line to trade off of. And if you look, price reacts to the trend, right? And here is the London high day and Asia high day, and look at what price has been doing inside of it. Boom, 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 boom. So either it's going to come up tackle this end cap, which is a bunch of unfilled orders sitting right here, and reverse, or it's going to blow up back up to the high of day. And that's not a big enough move to even think about fucking with. So I'm waiting. Oh, there's a nice wick. Ooh. Ooh.
Helping you find the free.
Ooh.
We'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill.
We got a Renko wicks down, man. Renko wicks down. Renko wicks down. Renko wick down. Blockhawk down. Renko wick down. Yeah. Ah. Craziness. Crazy. Just give us the trade. Stop fucking with our minds, man.
Started in the red, now I'm chasing green. Day by day, I'm living the dream. Charts don't lie, they show the truth. Futures market made me
Bulletproof.
They said I'd fall, but I saw my future through a glowing wall. Candles burn bright, the patterns speak. Every tick is a chance to climb's not weak. Late nights grinding, no time to lose. Betting on myself, I'm paying my dues. The brokers laughed, the odds were steep, but now I'm trading while they're fast asleep. From rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night. Market's my kingdom, my story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader, the market king wins.
5 minute MACD's about to blow through the middle line here. Down. Need more coffee? Yeah, here we go.
The screen's my canvas, the trend's my muse. I'm the future in motion, I never lose. Every line's a lesson, every chart's a clue. I've got the blueprint, I know what to do. The past was a struggle, but now it's clear. I'm chasing the future, I'm shifting the gear. From rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day. Right in the way.
I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Crown me the trader, the market king wins. I've felt the fear, I've seen the storm, but pressure's the fire where diamonds are born. The charts keep moving, the ticks don't rest. In the game of futures, I'm passing the test.
It's starting to look good right here, bro. Starting to look good right here.
numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward,
Oh yeah.
it's all in the spin. Crown me the traitor. The
About to break Asia's high day again. We gotta bust this trend line now. Gotta break. This trend line has got to break. If it don't break, it isn't. Gotta be, use some English. Is not going to go.
Before the dawn breaks open, I'm glued to that screen. Tickers flashing, neon dreams in shades of red and green. My heart's in lockstep with the market's rise and fall.
Thanks, Zach. Good morning.
Waiting for the call.
We've been pre-market trading for weeks with wins every day. Today's the first day I haven't been in a trade by 6:45. This song is Margins of Dawn. The other one was called Rags to Riches. They're available on our YouTube if you want to listen to them. Look up Breakout Hunter on YouTube.
I'm day trading the futures, surfing waves on the line, riding margins of moments and fractions of time. With every tick of the clock, I'm leaning in for the score. Yeah, I'm chasing that lightning strike, hungry for more.
Trying to be exciting right now, but there's nothing to be fucking exciting about. They're just chopping out pre-market. There's major news at 8:15. So that could be just, holding price here, waiting for that, which is probably the case because they're pricks, the market makers. We got ADP non-farm employment at 8:15, and we also have PMI at 10 a.m. So we might not even get a pre-market trade today. It might just sit here, which, whatever, happens. But what we're not going to do is fall for their bullshit and enter in stupid entries. That's not going to happen. Promise you that. And why? Because we have these special tools called the First Light Beacon. It keeps us out of bad trades. Boom.
I'm day trading the futures, dancing on a wire, hedging faith against fear, fueled by inner fire. Just one good run from glory, but so close to despair. In that razor's edge arena, I'm a warrior aware. Every second can shape my fortune, can carve out my day. A symphony of data points guides the price I'll pay. Win or lose, I'm still here, strategy in hand. Because tomorrow's another sunrise, another chance to stand. I'm day trading the future, feeling each ebb and flow. I'll ride the waves of volatility wherever they go. Through the chaos and the calm.
Buy? No, I'm not doing anything right now. We're getting just choppy. But I'm thinking it's shorting here, man. I'm thinking we're gonna drop.
That poor guy. He knew what it just rejected. He wanted to be saying bye.
Yeah. Yeah, right here. There's a, you don't want to buy right here. I promise you that. Maybe right here. Not right here. No.
Yeah. And I'm in Manhattan for creators. I'm the breakout hunter, paving my own way, building up my
Yeah, we got a 5-minute rejection on that 30-minute end cap, and on the U.S. pre-market dynamic zone. This is not where you want to buy. Not right now. If it gets over that, possibly.
your grind. The breakout's where we'll redefine. I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the game, showing you the moves to rise and claim. What's trying to
Choppity, choppity, chop, chop, chop. I might just set some alerts and fucking call it, dude. I'm like, this is bullshit. I'm sick of staring at this shit. I figure we could have got a little bit of a move or something, right? Like,
I've been where you are, searching for a spark. Now I like the way when the markets are dark. From candles to red go, from V-Dop to MA. I'm showing how to profit and play. We don't follow the herd, we write our own script. We master the trends and let them drift. Step by step, you learn the grind, until the breakout's yours to find. Learn the rules, break the mold. Together we'll ride when fortunes unfold. Trust the process, trust your grind. The breakout's where we'll redefine. I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the
yep. More chop, choppity, chop, chop, chop. Choppity, chop. Choppity, chop, chop, chop.
every single day. Every lesson learned is a step you take toward a life you control. The future you'll make, no more 9 to 5, no more fear.
Where's our... Oh, that's not what I want. Where is our... our weekly zone sitting at? See that? Let's check that out real quick while we're sitting here waiting on... Okay, so we've got like a good possibility that we're coming down, because you guys, this is the first light beacon. This is the these are the weekly candles turned into dynamic support and resistance that works on the fly. What do I mean by that? Watch this. So here's one right here. So this would be an end cap. This is the previous week's unfilled orders. Good luck finding that in any retail shit. Okay. Only institutional traders have this kind of information. Buy. Right? Stop loss. Right?
To me from patterns etched in data, I draw my line in the sand. I hunt the spark of movement, the signal I understand. When price bars break their chains, unleashing hidden might, I'm there to
see it bouncing off the zones. See how the zones are there before prices. Oh yeah, trail. Sorry, trail. Forgot. Trail. You guys getting the point yet? Okay, that's good. I'm glad you got the point. There is no other tool available that does what this does. It has not existed before. But this is the weekly candle. Then I'll go over here and I can switch it to the let's go to the monthly and look at the monthly. So this is the monthly candle turned into support and resistance, and you see these wicks, crossovers, bounce wicks off. So you're literally trading a 15-minute candle inside of a monthly candle. Boom, 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 boom. See that? Boom, 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 boom. And then we can go into daily, we can go into the sessions. So this is New York sessions in the support and resistance for just New York. So this is where it would start. Here's New York. Boom. These are 15-minute candles. See? And then here's the next day. Breaks up, crosses under, and goes bearish. Hits the end cap right here, bounces off, goes up, retests, retest the damn session, and there you go. And you can also do London or Asia pre-market, the 350 algo. So at 350 you can turn it on and go into like a 1-minute candle and see which direction it's going at 350 and scalp that out. Then you can also go into scalping mode, and you can base it off of time frames. So you can go in here and say, okay, I want a hour candle turned into a support and resistance zone, and it will turn the candles, 1 hour candles. These are 1 hour candles now turned into support and resistance. And these are the end caps. These are unfilled orders. This is where you would want to put limit orders right here. Limit order buy, stop loss. All right. See what I mean? Watch. Here's a perfect example of that. Price comes in, taps it, and goes. That's our main setup. That's what we do. This end cap. It's called end cap rejections. We have fucking videos all over YouTube showing how to do this. So, but boom, right here, tink tink. Well, this one actually triggered it. So you would get in right here, and your stop loss would go right here, and then you can go for like a fixed RR, or you can come to the high, or whatever you want to do. Price is doing stupid shit still. Look at, oh, it's breaking out. Hold on, let me go back to trying to make money.
I've marked his hands out in the sun, chasing the clock till the day is done. Sweat on my brow, dirt on my face, but I knew deep down I need a change of pace. Trading hours for dollars, it wasn't enough.
There's no fucking way they're gonna pump this some more, dude. Are they really? No. All right. They've already wicked the shit out of this end cap here. Once, twice. This thing is mitigated already hard. So it could blow right through it. You know what I mean? Where's our orb here? Oh, that's not what I want. That's our flex orb. We have a flex orb that turns any start point. So if you want to orb every hour based on 5-minute candles, you can do that with this indicator right here that we have. I'll show you real quick. That's the first flat. Wrong one. So the flex orb lets you start on a weekly or monthly, or you can pick the hour or whatever. So literally you can go an hour, and then I want the 15-minute orb every hour displayed on my screen, so you can see the range on that hour candle. Or you can do it on the 6 hour or the 12 hour or the 5-minute or the 20-30 minute. So it'll actually build an orb every 30 minutes based on, I don't know, say you went just a 2-minute orb. Every 30 minutes you want to know what the 2-minute orb does. It'll print it on the screen. Pretty slick. It's pretty slick. But I don't need that shit right now. I'll do what I'm doing. Yeah, we're getting a 15-minute buy, flat buy. I think it's just chopping us around again. I'm just gonna set an alert, dude, on the on this orb here, low and high. Add alerts. I want this to go to my phone. Once per bar. I want to know immediately that we're breaking. Once per bar. Go to my phone. Save. Boom. I'm gonna go make breakfast real quick while this shit's doing what it's doing. I'm gonna leave the stream running, but I'll be back. Dustin. It goes ding 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 ding. I'll be back faster. I almost forgot I got that class to teach in like 6 minutes, dude. Dustin.
Swing trade free market.
No, free market's over. I gotta stop the stream and I'll be back after the class, I guess. All right, peoples. I will see you in a few.